He's waiting for another. Aw, they're all gone. What are you doing?
The movie last night, I went to the bathroom and I unbuckled a little wobbly and the kind of banged against the side of the window, so that's it.
So you're insane.
Oh yeah, quite. Of course, it's a sliding scale.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.